Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin now by confirming prerequisites. Don't delay. Make sure your character is level 25 or higher, with at least one free inventory slot and 500 units of common currency. Also equip 3 healing items so you can survive the initial encounter. Once done, fast travel to the Emden map waypoint and approach the landmark where the emergency spawn triggers. You're acting fast. Start the sequence immediately, because timing effects spawn windows and next you clear the immediate 50-meter area to force a spawn reset. This is essential because leftover mobs block the event. Then interact with the broken beacon at the on-screen coordinates. This starts the emergency timer. Move quickly. Once the Guardian appears, you must defeat it within 90 seconds to trigger the egg drop. Use burst damage and healing items. Position yourself to avoid knockbacks. If you follow this pacing, the drop chance increases substantially. Finally, loot the Emden egg immediately because it despawns after 3 minutes. If the egg does not appear, do not panic. Wait 10 minutes and repeat the beacon interaction after clearing the area again. If the event becomes stuck or the Guardian fails to spawn, use a safe logout to reset the local event state, then return and try again. One key troubleshooting tip: check your network stability. Latency spikes often cause spawn failures, so reduce background bandwidth before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.